First time sa Color Fest? Ay, excited ka sa kulay? Bakit 10K hindi 21K?
Ito lang kaya ko eh.
The one and only Miss Kim, and we are looking forward for your first experience. Ito si Kuya Jay. Ang hirap tumabi. Ang tindig. Okay, Kuya Gerald, alright. Is this your first Color Fest experience?
Yes, it's my first Color Fest experience. Inulit ko lang yung sinabi mo.
Rewind! Kaya galing eh. Now that is your first time, sa mga narinig mo, ano yung pinaka... When you cross that line, start traffic guys, let's wake up! Let's morning, let's be runners!
Alam pala. Alam ko lang.
Harap, go.
One shot. One shot. Yeah, Morgan. Let's go, Papi. Last push, last 300.
Oh my God.
Last 300. Kaya pala. Huwag na hinto, huwag na hinto.